What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wrenching Wrecked. Big day today. Yesterday we were blasting those plows, and today has been kind of cleanup. That took most of the day, so unloading this pallet of hoses and things. I wish I could translate how heavy some of these are. I think this one's probably 150 pounds just on one hose coil, plus all the little odds and ends, mask, smaller air supply and everything else. This guy, I messed up. I was hoping to bleed off all of the sand that was in there, but I didn't want to run out for a job, so I put 2 extra bags. So that's got 100 pounds of sand in it that didn't necessarily have to go in there to make everything get done and finished. In the blast booth back at the shop, here is the remnants of the pallet that I used. I ended up using, what was it? 27 bags of sand on those plows. If you're a blaster and that's excessive, please let me know. If you're not and you're just following the channel while I try and figure all this out, I appreciate the forgiveness while I'm trying to make the most efficient setup that I can. But 27 bags of sand is what we ended up using on 2 of those plow blades. I was up there for probably about noon to 5. I would say 5 hours in between the shutdown time and the in-between bits of fixing things, altering things, loading up masks. But they got done in a day, so that's good. We are back at the barn right now. Here is where we're at. I have the primary for the shovelhead that I really need to start working on, hopefully this week, because I want this done and out of here. I put that lower stud in. Lower stud pulls out of the case. It's not Loctited into the case enough, but this is filled with oil. That doesn't look that good, so we got to drain that. But that's ready to start bolting up. I will run to the parts store tomorrow and grab all the fittings. My goal, as of right now, is to get this done tomorrow. Ironhead, still kind of in pieces-ish, but we got the taillight and stuff done. I got to weld one more bung on the fender, then that's ready to tear down the back half. And then we're gonna move on to the brake component, which will be next, but that might also wait a little bit. If I can get the shovelhead done and out of here, that's the first one to go. And then we have this Evo Sporty for a buddy of mine that I'm literally just doing a winter storage. And it's missing one of the bolts on the rear master cylinder, which means that it's been taken in air, and this is super squishy with no brakes in the rear. So this needs a little bit more love than I anticipated, unfortunately, but we were already going to do a spill and fill on there. Today, after coming back from blasting, I know I got half a pallet sitting there. I was able to pick that up with the tractor, with the forklift attachment. I didn't film anything today because I was just kind of in go mode. But now that the loader is on here, there's enough weight on the front. Front end got a little bit light, but it did work. So I came up here bright and early this morning before I went to the powder coating shop and moved this compressor, grabbed the box blade, repaved all of this because winter was not nice to our driveway set up here. So this is all re-leveled, regraded. There's a couple potholes that form on the very end of the driveway out there. Got those all fixed, leveled off again, pulled up all the rocks. You can see the fresh grass over here where I had everything else. It's not perfect, fully cleaned, but you can see the sprouts coming through where it was struggling with the stack on top. So this will start growing back. We'll rake all the rest of that up. But played tractor most of the morning. Went to the shop, got a bunch of blasting done, got a bunch of coating done, finished up those goofy wheels. I'll try and include those in here as well. And then still had time to hot rod the truck around the last little bit. So not the best video in terms of getting stuff done. I really want to work on the primary, but I think me busting ass the last 3 days gives me 1 day off tomorrow to get this thing back together. We gotta drain the fluid, loosen the trans bolts, put the primary on, get all of that set, refilled. In a perfect world, I will try and fire that up tomorrow. I'm not overly optimistic, but we'll see what life has planned as the day progresses. So, quick little update for you. Shovelhead needs to get done. Evo Sporty is next, and then we'll keep coming back to this chopper. That's where we're at. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.